The research ecosystem in India presents significant opportunities across the world. With active support from the government, the R&D sector in India is all set to witness some robust growth in the coming years. In another major move, the National Web Portal for Sharing Research and Development Facilities, iSTEM, has entered phase 2 with added features. The portal has been granted an extension of 5 years by the Office of Principal Scientific Advisor to the Government of India. Let's get to know more about iSTEM. iSTEM or ISTEM stands for Indian Science, Technology and Engineering Facilities Map. It is a national web portal for sharing R&D facilities and was formally launched in January 2020. The portal today hosts an inventory of more than 20,000 pieces of equipment in 850 institutions in various parts of the country.
iSTEM aims to bring together as a portal the availability of high-end technical resources for science, technology, engineering and medicine, so that if you are in a smaller institution, you know where resources are available for your experiments. You can go there and use those equipment.
The goal of this portal is to strengthen the R&D ecosystem of the country by connecting researchers with resources. It also promotes technologies and scientific equipment development indigenously and provides necessary supplies and support to researchers by enabling them access to existing publicly funded facilities. In the first phase, the portal is listed with more than 20,000 pieces of equipment from around 1,050 institutions across the country and also has more than 20,000 Indian researchers connected with it. The iSTEM portal facilitates researchers to access slots for the use of equipment as well as to share the details of the outcomes such as patents, publications and technologies. Now let's know what are the newly added features in this portal. The iSTEM portal in its new phase will be designed as a dynamic digital platform that will provide a boost to research and innovation, especially for 2-tier and 3-tier cities and also for emerging startup ecosystem. Under the phase 2, the portal will host indigenous technology products listed through a digital catalog. It will also provide a platform for the various city knowledge and innovation clusters to enhance effective use of research and development infrastructure through leveraging collaboration and partnership built on a shared STI ecosystem. It will host and provide access to selected research and development softwares that are required to undertake research projects by students and scientists. In addition to serving as a portal through which needy researchers are linked to required resources, iSTEM also plans to provide access directly through the portal to other valuable facilities that can be made available through the cloud. Such resources are meant to empower researchers and innovators throughout the country, together with a panel of experts who can be consulted through the portal, and the access to service providers and providers of specialized supplies. The portal is the go-to destination that is defining a new and forward-looking paradigm for research and development and innovation across the country. The portal has motivated the industry to deploy indigenous technologies and contribute to the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.